Welcome to the Silk Walk Studio. I hope we are there on time today. Yeah, time na?
17 minutes late.
17 minutes. So people, if you are there in our live session today, please let us know. Give us your hearts, give us your likes, and please let us know that you are there on a live. We have an amazing collection of pure silk sarees, which are both pocket friendly and at the same time really exclusive. So
Ramya says hi.
hi Ramya, on time Ramya. First all ninga da Ramya.
She says you look fabulous.
Thank you Ramya.
Nandini says hi.
Hi Nandini.
Sangeeta.
Nandini TK. Correct.
Nandini Satish.
Nandini Satish. Okay.
Sangeeta says hi, Joanna.
Hi Sangeeta. Hi. So as I was telling you, our collection today is fabulous, and the procedure to book the sarees will be through the website. Soon after the live, they'll be up on our website, and you can buy them directly from the exclusives category. So that's where you can find these sarees.
Shweta says hello, Ka.
Hi Shweta.
Hema says hi.
Hi Hema.
Clavio says hi, Joanna.
Yaru?
Clavio.
Clavio. Okay. Hi Clavio.
Manu says hi, Joanna.
Hi Manu.
Vinisha said the saree draping yesterday was fabulous. Dropped. I don't know, draped or dropped. What was it?
Today, the one what I've draped today.
She says yesterday.
Yesterday va theriyale. I think Vinuta va.
Vinisha.
Vinisha theriyala.
Clavio says looking beautiful.
Thank you da. Thank you so much.
Sangeeta says looking pretty, Joe.
Thank you.
Kalyani says pretty sari.
Hi Kalyani. Thank you.
Shara says was waiting.
Thank you. We are going to start very soon, and we have collection starting from I think 2,500 to up to 8,000, 9,000 in that range. So please wait, please hold on.
Sai Selvi says as always rocking.
Thank you Sai Selvi, thank you so much.
Clavio says the sari is so pretty on you.
Thank you da. We'll start.
Yeah, a couple of comments is we'll go through.
Yeah.
Geeta says sari color combination is super.
Super la. The one what I'm wearing is exclusive. It is very pretty, and that's why I thought okay
In
I'll take.
website, Vinisha.
Okay. Sari draped in the website.
Dropped into web.
Oh, okay, she dropped into the web. Okay, fine. Okay, Vinisha, thank you so much. Thank you. She says our collection is nice.
Chaitra says beautiful saris.
Thank you, Chaitra.
What kind of material are you going to show today?
Yeah, we are going to show pure silk sarees. We also have a few semi-silk sarees today. Okay, the semi-silk ones are priced at around 2,500, and all the pure silk sarees that I'm going to show you are priced somewhere around 7,000 to 8,000, 9,000 in that range.
Do you have saris with thick borders?
With
Thick borders.
thick borders, yes, we do have. So please go through our website. I think that would be the best way to do a selection. You also will have to decide on what is the price that you are looking for. Suppose you are looking for in the 5,000 to 6,000 category, then please go to pocket friendly directly. Okay. And if you are looking for somewhere 8,000, 9,000 or 7,000 range, then you can check in the exclusive section. And if you want a Kanchivaram, we have Kanchivaram sarees. And if you are a bride or if you are a bride's, a person who's going to attend a wedding, then you can check under the bride series. So we have put them under different categories on the website. Very, very easy to navigate through the website. Go click on the menu of our website, thesilkwalkstudio.com. And then you have a lot of other categories opening up. Suppose you want a casual sari, okay, somewhere between 1,000 to 3,000 rupees, then you can go to the casual category. Okay, if you want a silk cotton sari, they are priced somewhere between 3,000 to 4,000, then you can enter into the silk cotton category. We also have Mangalagiris, we have Upadas, the list is endless. So please have a look on our website.
Annie says nice sari you're wearing.
Thank you. Annie or Anne?
Annie.
Oh, thank you, Annie.
Peek to my kitchen said hi.
Hi, Da. So I think we'll start, right?
Waiting to see your today's collection.
Thank you, thank you.
Peek to my kitchen says lovely combination, Joanna.
Thank you, Da.
Monisha says looking very pretty today, Akka, and draping super.
Thank you, Ma, thank you.
Can you get more casual saris, chiffon or georgette?
Chiffon or georgette, it is like seasonal. When the stock is ready, we'll definitely show and we'll take a lot of orders. We have been showing a lot of chiffons and georgettes. They are priced somewhere 1,000-1,500. So we'll come up with a session very soon. Once the collection is ready, definitely we are going to come up with the saris.
Can we wear semi-silk saris for parties?
Yeah, definitely. They are party wears only, which like suppose if it is I would not choose to wear a semi-silk sari for a very close relative, like suppose my cousins or my niece's wedding, then I'm not going to wear a semi-silk sari. But if it is a distant relative or if it is a casual friends get together, then I will choose to wear a semi-silk sari.
Nancy says you're looking so cute.
Thank you.
Another Nancy says, do you also have chiffon and organza saris?
We have chiffons, we do not have organzas.
Ovia says hi.
Hi, Ovia.
Kiran said hi.
Hi,
Madhu
Da.
said hi.
Hi, Da. Hi.
Hi. Yeah, we can go ahead.
Yeah, I think we'll start, okay? So the first sari is a very, very pretty sari. It's in a light sage green, priced at 7,450. All saris are very close to what I am wearing. The designs, of course, are different, and the fabric is also quite a bit different. So this one is priced at 7,450. Okay, it's in a light sage green or a pastel green, because I've been getting a lot of enquiries for the green sari, for green, light green. So I think somebody even today had asked for this green. So if you are there watching our live, please check this collection on our website. It comes with a contrast pallu and a contrast border. Sorry, blouse. 7,450 is the price.
Anita says hi, Joe.
Hi, Da.
She says looking pretty as always.
Thank you, Anita.
Chaitranati says hi, Joanna, looking good dear.
Thank you, Chaitra. So, a very beautiful royal blue. It's in a fine soft silk with borders, with tissue borders. Okay, a beautiful sari. That's the pallu. That's the blouse. Price of the sari is 7,450. 7,450 is the price.
Anusha says hi, Joe, good evening. How are you?
Anusha
and how's
Madan
life?"
Raja. Hi Anusha, super again. How are you? So this is again one shade. This is actually a restock shade. Last time we had this color and we have got the same color. 7,450 is the price. Again a pastel green. That's the pallu. Nice rose shade. That's the blouse. 7,450 is the price. Okay, we have one beautiful lime green color.
Remy says hi, Akka, looking amazing.
Remy, correct? R-E-M-I. Remy,
D-
it's been quite a long time.
D-R-E-M-I comes.
Huh?
D-R-E-M-I. I don't know.
Oh, cheri, terla apna. Okay, so this one is in a beautiful lime green. That's the pallu. That's the blouse. So all of these saris have very, very tiny work over the body in gold and in silver zari. I hope the design is clear and visible.
Yep.
Yeah. So it has very, very tiny zari work all over the body.
Kritika says hi.
Hi Kritika.
Lindsay says hi.
Lindsay. Hi Lindsay.
Joshini says beautiful colors.
Hi Joshini. How are you? Thank you.
Savana says super color combination. It suits for you.
Savana.
Sabana.
Sabina. Okay. Hi Sabina. Thank you. So this is again in one. It's in a royal blue. I hope the design is clear properly in this sari. Okay. 7450 is the price. Comes with a contrast pink and a contrast pink blouse.
Ramya says color combos are beautiful.
Thank you, Ramya. The next sari, we have good number of greens today. Next sari is priced at 7450.
Can you repeat the price of the previous one?
All of them, what I have shown you till now, it is all priced at 7450. So we have a light, again a lemon green with beautiful borders, colorful borders of purple, red and orange. Okay, and the again on the borders we have manga buttas. That's the pallu. That's the blouse. The body is also like dual toned. It has a lime green and a dark green. Rendu color mari varudhu. Price of the sari is 7450. Okay, all of them are pure soft silk and double warp.
Binsi says super collection Chechi.
Thank you, Binsi.
Roshni says OMG, this is so beautiful.
Thank you, da.
Anuja says hi Joe.
Hi, da. Tanuja or Tenuja?
Tanuja.
Okay. So the same sari in a dark green.
Vaisho says wow.
Hi Vaishu, thank you. It's in a dark green with, again, as I told you, the previous sari madri, the borders are very colorful. It has violet, red and orange. Ade madri, and the body of the sari has small booties. That's the pallu and that's the blouse. 7450 is the price.
Roshni says so pretty colors.
Thank you, Roshni.
Tanuja says I am late. What did I miss?
Not much, Tanuja. So now we are going to see two of these saris which are partly pallu saris.
Soumya wants to know if these are available in website.
Yeah, they will be available, Soumya. Just hold on till the collection goes up. We'll be uploading it soon after the live show. Okay, just give us 5-10 minutes. They'll be there on the website. And Arjun.
Purnima says hi Akka, you are looking very pretty and I'm fan of your hair.
I knew. Mudiyala kotti poche, but okay, thank you, Purnima. Yeah, so this is a beautiful, this is a dual tone, the top part of the sari. It's in a pink and orange, comes with a same color pallu. That's the blouse, contrast green.
What
And
are the payment options?
we have all payment options. We have card, we have Google Pay, Paytm, you can do an NEFT. All through the website, okay? But if you're booking directly, then you'll have to do as a Google Pay or a Paytm. So yeah, that's the sari. It's a partly pallu sari. The pallu section has a green color with motifs, okay? With like paisley motifs, manga motifs. That's the 7450 is the price.
Vinota says all saris seem to be made for you. You carry saris very nicely.
Thank you, Da. Everybody can carry it very well. It's not just me. But thank you for the compliment.
Vaishu says my favorite color is orange.
Orange. That one is very beautiful, Vaishnavi. So this one is in a green. Quite a different shade. That's the pallu. That's the blouse.
Shika
And-
says hi.
Yarma?
Shika.
Shika. Hi, Shika. And that's the pleat section.
Roshini says I'm going straight to the website to hunt down the lemon green sari.
Thank you, Roshni. Just wait for some time because the collection has to be up on the website. We'll be doing it soon after the live. Okay. 7450 is the price of this sari.
Anita says nice saris.
Thank you. Thank you, Anita.
Manju says wow green, very pretty.
Thank you. So this is a beautiful shade, dark purple.
Anusha says this green is lovely, royal.
Thank you. Superana sari with a beautiful color combo. I think a lot of you all were asking for this combination. For a client picture kuda many of you all were asking for this color combo. So if you were asking, just check this sari. So body has gold and silver zari buttas running all over.
Geeta
Okay.
wants to know how is Patli Pallu different?
Partly pallu different in the sense the regular sari has designs all over the body. Partly pallu has a different color and a different design on the pleat section. That is what I don't know why they called it partly pallu, but so because they said so, I'm also following the same term. That's it. Now it's like a half sari design. Okay, basically like how a half sari is, the body is different and the pleat section is different. So that's so this is in a gold,
It's
a
partly
light gold.
designed, I think, not completely. So
Partly partly pallunuvaanga adu. அது ஏன் தெரியாது. So yeah, this is a light gold sari, comes with a contrast pallu and a border and a blouse, priced at 7450.
this is tinge of green, right?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು full gold,
Okay.
light gold.
What is the price of the sari that you're wearing?
The one I'm wearing is priced at 8,900.
Can I book the previous green now?
Yes, you can.
WhatsApp.
You can. WhatsApp us if you would like to book any of these saris well before it gets into the website. You can WhatsApp us on our number 7676025364.
Anita says orange sari is so pretty.
Thank you, Anita.
Divya says nice sari.
Thank you, da. So we have a beautiful sari priced. This is going into our exclusives collection. Okay, priced at 8,900.
Nidhi says hi.
Hi, Nidhi. So that's the pallu, a very very beautifully designed and grand pallu. Comes with a contrast blouse, a lemon green with a beautiful heavy work border. Okay, 8,900 is the price.
Is there any mauve?
Mauve, I think we had one, and not one, we had 3 and all the 3 are sold.
Dosa
I just-
mauve irukku paravaya.
Okay, so we had 3 more colors and which we posted yesterday, and all of them got sold. Someone we had one last piece and someone just booked it in the evening.
Nidhi says beautiful saris.
Thank you, Nidhi.
Take to my kitchen says wow, this one is just beautiful.
Thank you. That previous one is very nice, and the same design we have it in a dark green. All the green lovers, we have lot for you today. That's the pallu, contrast pallu and a contrast blouse. Okay, 8,900 is the price. The last one super ah irukku. So before we get into the semi silk, the last one in pure silk, I've kept the best for the last. So it's a light beige color with a contrast border. Border has colors of blue, a turquoise blue and green, as well as a dark blue. So 3 colors are there. That's the pallu. Pallu is also very beautiful and elegant, and that's the blouse. Okay, 8,900 is the price. This is a wow sari, don't miss it.
Is the one that you're wearing for sale?
Yes, it is available for sale.
I thought it was priced at 7450, right?
What? The
The
one
one
I'm
we are
wearing? No, it's priced at 8,900. The one I'm wearing is priced at 8,900. We have 3 different colors. So it's there available on our stories. So you can go and check. You can also check it. The sari comes with a beautiful blouse piece. You can check the blouse piece on the video which is posted on our story.
Vaishu says, again confusion started. You make me dumb with your collections.
Vaishnavi. Thank you, Da. Okay, so now we are going to semi-silk saris.
Annie says, nice color combination.
Thank you. Okay, these saris are priced at 2450. They call it Kubera Pattu or something like that. And I would call them as semi-silk saris. They are very, very soft, easy to drape, and they are very, they give you a very rich look. So the first one to start with is this color in a dark blue. Comes with a contrast border on one side. The sari you can see is very, very soft and flowy. So when you're pinning it up, it's going to look like this. It comes with a contrast pallu and a blouse like this. Okay, 2450 is the price. The next one.
Bharati says, mistaking screenshot. I have pinged you on WhatsApp.
Sure. Anyways, this live is going to be saved. If somebody has missed taking a screenshot, you can very well go back to the feed and check our IGTV, and then you can book. Okay, so you can see, right, how soft the sari is. Very easy and flowy it is. They are all semi-silk saris. So this one is in a turquoise shade, comes with a contrast border like this, and comes with a contrast pallu and a contrast blouse. That's the blouse. Blouse is also very pretty. Price of the sari is 2450. The next one, this is in a sort of a color idu mari mustard and green shade la. So
green la illa.
Green irukuma light
கட்டிருக்க புடவைல தான் இருக்கு.
It's sort of, a dark mustard and a green shade. Comes with a contrast maroon border, contrast maroon pallu, and a blouse like this. Okay, it has the blouse is also designed. So beautiful sari, 2450 is the price.
Komal says, nice saris, ma'am.
Thank you,
and you're
Komal.
looking beautiful.
Thank you, Da. So we have one more sari in
Is
our
it-
favorite combination. Nama?
Is it mustard yellow?
Yeah, it is mustard yellow, but I could make out that there is a little bit of green in that, but these people are telling that it is not green. But please do trust me, okay? Okay, so this one is in a yellow with a beautiful combination of a turquoise green. That's the pallu.
Pretinaka says, love with the sari you have draped.
Thank you, Dab. Thank you, Pretty. That's the blouse. Okay, price of this is 2450.
Roshni says, no, you are spoiling me with those amazing colors.
All of them today, I think we have brought you a wide palette, so you all can decide which one to take. You can take something which is not available in your wardrobe. So the last one, we have a light gold color.
Clavio, she said she pinged you on WhatsApp.
Sure, I'll reply, okay?
Monica says, nice collection.
Thank you, Maunika. Right. So this one is in a gold with a red border. Comes with a red pallu and a red blouse. So that's the blouse. Okay, all of these sarees, what I've showed you, the last 5 or 6 sarees are priced at 2450.
Clavio says, I am so confused.
So you all can choose now. We have displayed all the sarees that we have brought in for today. So the one that I am wearing is also available for sale. It is priced at 8,900. The rest of the sarees were mostly 7450. A few we had shown for 8,900. All of those you will be finding under the exclusives category. We will be uploading them very shortly. Okay, give us about 5 to 10 minutes time. It's all put up in the draft and ready. We'll be posting it very soon. And the last few sarees you can find under the semi-silk section of the website, and they are priced at 2450. If there are any queries, please let us know. If you can't find any of these on the website, you can always message us on our WhatsApp number 7676025364.
Annie wants to know if you have plain blouses in semi-silk sarees in order to make designs.
No, we don't have blouse fabrics. No, Annie, we do not have them.
She is asking you have plain blouse in semi-silk sarees.
No, these whatever we had shown you now, they all come with I think some work over the blouse. None of them are plain. Any other questions, guys? I think we've come to the end of the show, and I wish you all a very happy weekend. Stay home and stay safe. Huh?
Independence Day.
அதானே wish பண்ணிக்கிறேன்.
சேல் இல்லையா?
நீங்களே கேட்பீங்க போல இருக்கு.
இல்லைன்னா வரும். Do you have any
Well, thank you so much.
Do you have any retail shop where we can walk in and check?
No. It's we are still an online retail shop. We do not have an outlet yet. Well, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying with us throughout the live session. We wish you all a very happy weekend and a very happy festival. So, thank you. Bye-bye.